In front of me here are 2 packs of Paldean Evolve. One is real and one is fake. I'm sure you can tell which one is fake. This one here is fake. The classical triangle cut and this punch seal here, compared to the real one that has a crimp seal at the top and the bottom. But despite the seal and the poor quality, let's look at the back. You can immediately tell which one is real and which one is fake. This one also feels a little lighter, like there's less cards in it. Less fake cards. So just for fun, you can see fake packs weigh significantly less than real packs. So let's just see how fake these cards are. Now once again, fake packs do not have any code cards or energy cards in them. And you can see immediately no code card, no energy card. And this here is a hit. A fake hit. And I should also mention this card is not even from the set. So you can see this here, it is just a sticker on card stock. So I'm going to rip it apart and show you. You can see there just a glossy sticker. That's all it is. And I was also robbed the card because there's only 9 cards, including this one, in the back. You can also see the font is different and this one is damaged. Definitely will not grade with PSA. It's also bent to the top here. There's also no graphite layer in between the card, compared to a real card that has the black graphite layer sandwiched between the 2 pieces. You can see there that black line. So please hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe to the channel. And be careful where you buy your Pokemon cards.